यार फोटो नहीं आ रहा ये पागल है क्या सर कटिंग करने के बाद आजा सब वरुण ने खालो सर अभी आया वीर भी आ गया सब लोग आ गए सर सब लोग आए वीर आगे मेरे दांत से मत काटिए सर सब एक साथ में सब लोग एक साथ में एकदम सामने बहुत बढ़िया एक फोटो सर अभी फोटो सर ए भाई अच्छा काम का आदमी है सर अब ये कंपनी में ज्वाइन हो जाएगा ज्वाइन है वो पेपर तैयार है ज्वाइन हो गए सर सामने सर राइट पे कौन सा राइट पे वीर अरे सब लोग यहाँ पे राइट नीचे करे काजल मैम आप भी काजल मैम कीजिए काजल मैम आप भी काजल मैम नहीं दिख रहे हो आप नहीं दिख रहे हो सर सामने देखिए अभी
Can you just have the music off for a second, please? Thank you very much. I know, thank you very much. Very, very special day for all of us, but also an extremely sad day. 7 years ago, 2008, the dastardly and the most vicious attack on our country, in our city, happened on the same day. So before we continue with the revelries and celebrations of things that we are going to go ahead with, as our country has taught us, as the city has taught us, in the face of fear, treachery, and danger and scare, I think we should all take 1 minute, a moment of silence to give our respect to people who lost their lives, who lost their loved ones 7 years ago on 26/11. So I just expect everyone to rise. Sorry if we cover the cameras, but thank you very much. A minute of silence. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Thank you very much. And we pray for people who've lost lives, kin, friends, and hope that we can always fight this kind of treachery, these kind of acts, with the bravery and the resilience which we've done for years, and give punishment, mete out punishment to all the people who do these kind of acts. So thank you very much. And now, moving on to the moment that we are here for. This is a very special day for me, not just because we are here to release perhaps the most cool, fun, happy song of Dilwale, but my friendship with the PVR family, Ajay, Sanjeev, everyone. There's so many of them in Delhi. We've grown up together. I have a little incident. We were more than now attached through films and the exhibition, and thankfully this time they're even distributing Dilwale, so thank you very much. But more than the change they've brought in how movies are watched, the experience of film watching. We make films, we make good ones, we make bad ones, but the one thing that should always remain at two ends, that the film should be produced beautifully, and then, because that's in control, and the last is it should be exhibited, so that the final end user, the retailer, the audience, the people that we believe in and make the cinema for, they have the best experience possible. And not because of my years-long friendship with Ajay and PVR, I really feel the best experience perhaps in the world is provided by PVR Cinemas to all the audiences. So thank you very much. I remember when they started, we are bowling partners. नहीं होना चाहिए किसका और नहीं आ रहा? हम शरीफ क्या हुए, सारी दुनिया ही बदमाश बन गई. अबे यार, आ तो रहे. Okay, so we used to bowl together in Delhi, and I have to accept this, that bowling was taught to me by Ajay. Ajay was India number 1, number 2 bowling champion, and he had this amazing glove, and we all believed that he could bowl because of that glove. He was very cool. We had a lot of bets. If we had continued those bets, maybe I would have won some of the PVRs, but I would have lost everything else that I had. So thank you very much, Ajay. We've been old friends, family friends, and thank you for being such a gentleman. Thank you very much, your whole family. Apart from that, today is special because we are releasing the new property. In terms of numbers, which one is it now? याद भी नहीं रहता. देखो, 477. The PVR is like the Sachin of exhibition. They keep on increasing their runs, their theatres, and whenever you come to a theatre like this, we just saw parts of the song Gerua, which we had released, and the experience here is completely different. So we are really, really thankful as filmmakers, as producers, as actors, that you make us look so good, and apart from that, you give sometimes more comfort to the audience than what our film gives. So they sit down and watch the film just for the fun of it. So all the best to PVR. Our partners are here. Sony, thank you very much. All of us who are who made this film, we are very, very proud today because we are part of PVR and releasing and opening this new theatre. And inshallah, we pray before the end of next 2 years, you have 1,000 theatres more. So thank you very much, Ajay and Sanjeev. Thank you very much.
Sir, I would request you to please take your seats. And I would also request Kajol to please come up. Kriti, Varun, I would also request you to come up. And Ajay, sir, I want you to say a few words on this occasion. And of course, from PVR Priya to PVR Icon, it's been a long journey.
My own Dolby Atmos is not working because I've had cold last few days. But just want to thank everyone, first of all, on behalf of PVR for being here and making this a very special occasion for us. Also, of course, Shahrukh, Kajol, Rohit, Varun, Kritik, the entire team, for being here and making it very special for us. Everyone, I mean, Shahrukh has already said it, but everyone brags about knowing a superstar, but I'm glad he corroborated the fact that we go back many, many years playing 10-pin bowling. If I can use some examples of 10-pin bowling, lots of strikes and lots of spares Shahrukh used to have, but I think the perfect 300 he only scored once he came here to Mumbai. So I just want to really compliment and congratulate Shahrukh for the sort of entertainment icon that he's become, not only in India but globally. So a round of applause for him for all that he's achieved. And ensure that people start coming to the cinemas. So the two, I think, incredibly powerful factors which are there in India are the ones which have really inspired us all along. One is really the prolific talent, the energy that is there in the filmmakers. So people like Rohit, various filmmakers, they're always raising the standards, raising the bar to make sure that movies are seen on the big screen, and the whole larger-than-life format, the vibrancy, the whole colorfulness of what you see on the screen is something we were very keen to bring into the cinemas as well, because we felt that the transition between what's happening in the outside world, the real world, and what's happening on this big screen had to be sort of a little more smoother. So when people come to the cinemas and the moment they buy the ticket, they come to the foyer, they should get into that world of make-believe. And they should really say, wow, I'm glad I'm here. So every little thing, every little corner that they go to, it could be the toilets, it could be the concession stand, it could be any corner of the cinema, they should say, wow, I'm really happy I'm here. So that's one inspiration. And so it's not just the quantity of films, it's the way the movies have been made in India over the years which has inspired us. The second is, as Shahrukh rightly said, the customer. I think customer is extremely important to us. Again, India sells about 3 billion tickets annually, as compared to, say, maybe 2 billion in the US and about 1.75 billion in China. So India sells the maximum number of tickets. We have the maximum number of movies that go through the system. But I still think that the Indian audience, there's no audience in the world which is as discerning, as technology savvy as the Indians. So I think they're the second they've given us the push, further push to say, okay, fine, now let's not compromise on that 2 to 2.5 hours, 3 hours journey when they go out of their homes and then they want to come to a cinema and watch a movie. So no compromise can possibly be made on the sound quality, the projection quality, the legroom seat width configurations, everything, the screens, the customer service. So these are the two big important factors that have always inspired us. And we really consider ourselves at PVR to be that conduit, the infrastructure that we're building, a link really between the prolific filmmakers and the voracious appetite of the Indian consumer to watch movies on the big screen. So that's really what we've been trying to do. This particular catchment and this particular property, thanks to the developer, we got this property and we are very excited because the whole catchment is, the film fraternity lives here. Again, very, very discerning consumer around this catchment. So when we got the opportunity, we said, let's do something iconic. And that's how the brand name PVR Icon came about. And we said, let's not compromise on anything once again. Let's look at the seats. So these seats that you're sitting on, we've never had these seats anywhere. It's got more cushioning, more comfort than any other seat. The seats in our gold class cinemas, the team here had an experience there. We've never used them anywhere. The carpets, the acoustic properties, nowhere in the world, all cinemas have got, all screens have got Atmos. We've got atmosphere for sound. We've got 4K projection system. So we said, let's just take it to another level. So that's what we've tried to achieve. And I hope you like it. And I hope it encourages you to keep coming back. With this property, we are at 477 screens. We have a 9-screen complex opening up in Bangalore tomorrow. We'll be 486. And by the time Dilwale comes, we are really working hard, Shahrukh, that at least we get the 500 number. So that's what we're working on. So it will be the fastest growing company in the world in terms of getting screens to 500. Before I end, I just want to acknowledge the presence of my brother, Sanjeev, who's right there, who's really been amazing. We started the journey together, and we do, he's incredible. My daughter, Niharika, who's just joined the company after studying in LA at USC. And she's bringing, like the youthful energy into the company. Also, the entire team of PVR, Gautam, Ashwini, Vijay, Mr. Kaul, Agneet, everyone, Amit, who've really worked relentlessly hard. They've been with me 10, 15 years now, and to build the circuit and build this property. Shalu, Deepa, I don't want to miss out on anyone, so please don't mind. Thanks once again for being here, and it's a very special day for me. Thanks once again for the entire team, and wish you really all the best for Dilwale.
Raju sir, we also wish you the very best, and what better way to launch PVR Icon than have some of the most iconic names in the Indian film industry. And so before we move ahead, I would request you to pose for our photographers here. Can we have a group photograph, please? Thank you. And Rohit sir, now I would request you to please take it forward. Already the first song is appreciated, loved as much as the trailer. Today is a very special day. You're going to be releasing the second song. You seem to be laughing. You got a microphone there.
Varun is going to do the honors. He was laughing on me.
No, I'm laughing.
Let Kajal do it, yeah.
Okay. Thanks. Since nobody want to do that, but actually this is the second song of the film, but it's completely different from the first one. And I have to say that Varun has lived up to his reputation. Varun and Kriti both actually have lived up to their reputations in the song. Yeah, that whole thing. Yeah, the whole footsteppy thingy jingy whatever. Anyways, but it's a really cool song, and we really hope you love it. And it's called Manwa Emotion Jagere, right? Jagere is Maharashtrian, Marathi. No, Jage. Manwa Emotion Jagere. Okay, that's my Marathi side coming out. But it's a fab song, and we hope that आपके भी मन में भी emotion निकलेगा थोड़ा सा कुछ और. Okay, go ahead.
So I would request you all to please take your seats so that we can.
Okay, thank you very much. We'll see the song with you, then Kajol and me and I think Rohit, we might have to rush off. The younger ones will stay here. And once again, thank you very much Ajay, Sanjeev and PVR. But ये मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ तुम्हारी सीटें अच्छी होंगी, सीट हमारी भी बुरी नहीं है.
The first film I saw on a big screen, I don't know, I think I mean I can't even remember. I think I was born in an editing studio or something. I mean, as far as I remember, I've just been watching films or watching cinema, I mean on TV, or whether it's in the